Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vivekanand B. Sargi. I am from Karnataka. I was born and raised in Belgaum district of Karnataka, wherein I did my schooling as well as pre-university education. I am from farming family, so I was naturally interested in agriculture, which made me to get a degree in agriculture. So I am a graduate in BSc Agri from Dharwad Agriculture University. Later, I even completed my post-graduation in plant pathology stream from Dharwad Agriculture University. During my academics, I was also involved in co-curricular activities like I was associated with NCC, NSS, and some college cultural activities. During my post-graduation, I was even associated with study abroad program, during which I was selected and sent to New York, United States, as a part of abroad program. Soon after post-graduation, I have experience in I have worked in a procurement company for a period of 6 months. My hobbies include I am interested in sports. I play football, cricket. I love to travel and meet new people. So finally, I'm a hardworking person. I'm a hardworking and confident person who is looking for who is looking to build a successful future in a reputed institute. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You said you have had exposure in, say, training in foreign. What was
Yes.
the training? How long was the training? What did you learn in that? How was your stay there? Tell us about it.
Okay. That is all about like a study abroad program, sir. I was selected through the university. Four people were sent from our university to New York City, sir. Cornell University of New York City. Uh, During that study program, we used to engage with foreign students to exchange our ideas in agriculture, like any advances in agriculture. I was there for a period of 20 days, sir. And
It was for
after that,
20 days.
after
Yeah.
yeah, after coming from foreign, we used to work together from online in online method for a period of 4 to 5 months, and we whatever we have studied there, and after after 6 months, they came to India, and
Ah,
we were involved in one more month here, studying in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore Agriculture University.
mhm. Good.
After completion of both foreign and Indian tour, we were associated with some projects, and we have completed one paper, doing one paper what we have did all those days,
What was the
and we
project
submitted.
you did? What was the project you did? What was the paper you submitted?
Paper I submitted on a climate change paper, sir, like how climate change is affecting agriculture.
Okay, good. So, what was the project about? Same.
International agriculture and rural development. That was the name of the project, sir.
Oh, can you tell a few points about that?
That international agriculture means in that project, people are selected across from different countries and brought under a single platform to study, like to exchange their ideas about agriculture, what is going on in their country.
Hmm. Now, here for this question, you have to prepare deeply. You must be able to tell what are the things you learned from the foreign countries, what is the difference in agriculture practices in other countries. Like that, the questions will follow. A lot of questions will come on this. So
Okay.
you are, I don't know whether you are ready for that. So you must
Okay.
be able to tell. So for example, you must be able to give detail. In fact, we had foreign students from, say, these countries. At least two, three countries names you should tell. And the
Okay.
interaction was 20 days there. Thereafter, we continued online and all that. And what are the cropping pattern followed by them, and in what way is it different from ours? What are the problems they face and what are the problems we face in our country? Likewise, you must be able to talk more about agriculture, because I find in the federal bank interview that was conducted today or yesterday, They are asking only about relating to your field mainly, apart from
Okay.
some points regarding banking also.
Okay.
That's what it is. Good. Now, see, what are the crops grown in your district?
In my district, mainly we grow sugarcane and maize, sir. These are the major two crops that I observed.
Can you tell about the process of sugarcane cultivation and how they go about selling it, and what are the difficulties your farmers are facing, and what steps government is taking to nullify them?
Okay, sir. Mainly sugarcane is an annual crop, sir. That is grown once in 1 year, sir. And we generally plant it in the month of July or August. That is vegetatively propagated, sir. We just don't use seeds, just we propagate it vegetatively, and it needs high irrigation for the cultivation.
Mm.
Apart from that,
Mm.
we don't get a lot of disease and pests, sir, but just we face the problem of soil issues here in sugarcane
Mhm.
cultivation, like just salinity, those kind of issues. Apart from that, the major thing the farmers are facing is to getting a proper price for their products. They are generally going on a strike to get demand a proper price. Like while in while in other states they are giving higher price, but in Karnataka generally they are getting around 2,600, 2,700 per ton of sugarcane. So they are demanding higher price from the government, but government has not taken any solid steps for this in this manner in this matter. But still they are trying to convince farmer that we will give a good price. Since it's the time of election, they are just promising, but they are not taking any proper steps towards that, sir, to solve the problem.
See, actually, um, when you tell like this, then I don't think government is buying sugarcane from the farmers. It's only the sugar factories they are buying, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, and in that, what is the role government is having in this?
they need to fix some fair and remunerative price for the sugarcane, right, sir?
Can they force it on a private buyer? You know,
I don't
other
know, sir, but
states
they have already set it. Yeah, it
they have
depends
said,
on the owners of the farm only, right?
yeah, it depends on the strength of the farmers
Yeah,
and how they collectively bargain with the government, and also the influence of government on the factories. That's
okay.
correct. I understand that. Good. Please tell me, what do you know about Food Corporation of India?
Food Corporation of India is a central government institute that was established in 1965, sir. It is involved in procurement and maintenance of the buffer stock of for the buffer stock of the food grains grown by farmers. It also procures the food grains from the farmers based on uh, mean what MSP,
Minimum.
minimum supportive price.
Hmm, correct. Now, you must be able to know about what is the minimum support price for rice in your place. What is the minimum support price for other items, if any, they purchase? Because I don't think you will have wheat. I think from your
Wheat is
state,
also is there.
wheat is there in Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh.
But it is not related to like a state wise, sir. It is fixed on a national level.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure.
It
Oh,
is fixed by central government of India.
so you
All
get
across
to
the
know
country, it is the
you,
same price.
you get to know the minimum support price of some of the famous grains like
Okay.
rice, paddy, and wheat, like that. Good.
Okay, sir.
So what about the cultivation of, say, uh, flowers, fruits, and other cash crops in Karnataka?
So majorly cash crop, I can say it is the main thing is sugarcane. It is considered as cash crop only. But apart from sugarcane, while speaking of flowers and fruits, it is not grown to that extent. But mango is one of the major fruit crop grown in Karnataka, in Dharwad district of Karnataka. It is called as mango hub of Karnataka, and we even grow vegetables, sir, from in Karnataka, on the Krishna Bank Valley, and it is supplied to Mumbai and Goa. Vegetables include cauliflower, cabbage, those kind of things.
Can you name a few list of agricultural research institutes in India?
Yes, sir. Firstly, ICF, sir, located in New Delhi, Indian Council of Agriculture Research,
Mm.
and ICRISAT, sir, located in Hyderabad.
Mm.
IRRI, Indian Rice Research Institute, located in Cuttack.
Mm.
Sugarcane Breeding Institute, located in Coimbatore.
Good.
Sugarcane Research Institute, located in Lucknow.
Mm.
Dryland Research, located in Rajasthan.
At least that which is there in your state, if you can tell, and neighboring
Okay,
states, that
IIHR,
will be.
sir. In my only one national institute is located in Karnataka, that is Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, located at Bangalore.
Mm. But there is one more given here: Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute, Bengaluru.
Plywood Research.
Yeah, Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute,
Okay.
IPIRTI. Just information, not that it's very important. Good, because they are
Okay.
asking questions relating to FCI, FSS, CAI, and all that. So you must be in a position to know about it. And
Okay.
what are the different types of forests we have?
We have like 3 to 4 types forests, sir. Mainly tropical evergreen forest,
Mm.
tropical deciduous forest, temperate deciduous forest,
Mm.
tundra kind of forest, and we even can say like shrubs kind of forest, sir. It is not densely populated, but it is crowded with the shrubs. That is also
Mhm.
kind of forest.
Here, the broad topic given are moist tropical forest, a dry tropical forest, montane subtropical forest, then montane temperate forest, then alpine forest. I don't know. You only must be knowing. I'm giving a link of this page in our Telegram. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So not that this is important, but Firbi, if you can know about it, it's good. Very nice. Now let us come
Okay,
to
sir.
bank. So what do you think is the job role you have to perform in our bank?
I think I will be associated with farmers to lend their loans and recover the loans from the farmers. Apart from that, I have to follow whatever work given to me from my higher authorities.
Good. No, but then I suggest you go through the job role they
Roles.
have given. They have given job role,
Okay.
You
Yeah,
please
yes,
go
I
through.
have seen.
You have to tell it in detail.
Okay, sir.
You have to highlight on the fact, say, selling of products.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, which bank do you have an account?
I have an SBI account, sir.
Good. What is the difference between SBI and our federal bank?
SBI is a nationalized bank, sir, whereas Federal Bank is a private bank.
SBI is not nationalized bank. You should call it as public sector bank.
Public sector bank. Yeah.
Yeah. What is the definition of public sector bank?
Public sector bank is major share is with the public, sir. But private
Major,
bank will be having major yeah,
major share
shareholding.
capital. Share
Yeah,
capital.
share cap. Okay, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Now, who is the finance minister in our Karnataka?
Karnataka Finance Minister.
Yes, your Baswara Bommai. Same chief
Ah,
minister.
Bommai.
Chief
Okay.
chief minister is that. Then you should go through
Okay.
the list of ministers in Karnataka, get to know about it. Who is the governor of
Okay.
Karnataka?
Sri Tevarchand Gehlot.
Very good. Now coming to banking, please tell me what are the different types of accounts banks have? Deposit accounts.
Okay. So first one is current account,
Mm.
yes, and savings account. I know only these two things.
So you must be able to tell about fixed deposit or recurring deposit also.
Okay.
You should know what is fixed deposit, what is recurring
Okay.
deposit, what is the minimum
Okay.
period of fixed deposit, maximum period of fixed deposit. Similarly, RD account, minimum period, maximum period. You can know about it when you go through Federal
Okay.
Bank website.
Okay, sir.
You go through the website, you will know it. So you should know about it. Have you heard of an account known as demat account?
Yeah, demat account, sir. For investment, sir, we need to have a demat account.
Investment where? Investment in which instrument?
Investment in what is that?
Shares. Company
Share
shares.
investment.
Yeah,
Company shares.
very good. Excellent. In India, which is the topmost company as far as share capital is concerned? Reliance.
Reliance, yeah.
Reliance Industries is the topmost as far as number of shareholders and all that. Very good. So can you please tell me what do you know about RBI?
R- RBI.
Mm.
Okay, RBI is a Reserve Bank of India. That's a central bank, which is master of all the banks, I can say. It was established in 1935, and Shaktikant Das is the current governor of Reserve Bank of India.
Mm.
Reserve Bank of India will be having 21 members as board members, I can say, including governor of which includes governor of governor of India, governor of RBI and four deputy governors,
Mm.
and rest 16 will be members of that RBI.
Mm.
RBI will is a central bank that will lend the money to the other banks of India. The
Mm.
rate at which they it lends the money to the bank is called as repo rate, and if it takes the money from the subordinate banks, that the rate at which it takes is called as reverse repo rate.
Mm. So actually, the
It
normal
tries
lending rate,
to control
no,
the
no,
inflation.
the normal lending rate is known as bank rate. This repo rate is for short-term period. Anyhow, this you will know only if you read the book I have given you, IBPS
Okay,
guide. You have to read that.
okay, sir.
That's right. They are asking questions like, um, what is, say, simple things like, say, what is KYC? Do you know?
Know
Today
your
after
customer.
today after this session, after 5 minutes gap, I will come on again this line and I will tell whatever I want to tell the students about how to study for this interview. Okay,
Okay,
you can also come in that one and try to know more ideas about that. Now I will ask a few questions which are normally asked in interviews, like
okay, sir.
what what is the expansion of CBS,
Central banking, core banking system
core banking solution?
solution. Sorry.
Good. Have you heard of the abbreviation NPCI? NPCI. Have you heard about it?
National
No.
Payment Corporation of India.
Super. Good. Can you expand IF? What is that? IFSC code. What is IFSC?
IFSC. No, sorry, sir. I don't know.
Indian Financial System Code or Service Code, whatever it is. And
Okay.
you should know about how many digits are there and all that. I think you are not
SPI.
studied bank. You are not studied banking, but You
Okay.
have to know about banking also. Your knowledge regarding agriculture aspect is okay, good, very good. But now regarding personal questions, personality related questions. So, who is your role model?
I consider my parents as my role models.
What is the quality you would like to learn?
I would like to learn the honesty from my parents and hardworking quality. I like the most in them, and I like to learn it to the maximum.
Good, excellent. Now, what are your strengths?
So my strength, I consider I am a quick learner, sir,
Mm.
and I'm a team player. I love to work with a team always, and I
You can,
try to get the maximum out of my team.
you can put something more also. I'm a quick learner. I'm a hardworking person. I am a creative person. I take responsibility for all the problems. I am a good leader and also a team player. I'm good in time management. Like that, you can add some more qualities that are required in a leader. Okay,
Okay, okay.
good. So, can you tell me some current affair news that comes to your mind?
Related to banking, then,
No, you can tell related to banking or not related to banking also, no problem.
currently FIFA World Cup is going on in Qatar, sir. That flashes to
Very.
my mind.
Acha, which two teams are going to meet for the final?
Argentina and for Croatia, right? I don't know.
France.
Argentina, France. Sorry.
France has defeated Croatia today or yesterday.
Okay.
Good. Then what else? Tell me some news, current affair news. So I know you are not prepared for this. So you have to prepare for this by going through current affairs snippets I'm providing, or go through Business Standard or Economic Times or the Hindu and prepare for the yourself. Or your
Okay,
own local newspapers, Deccan Chronicle, whatever it is. Okay.
okay,
If you do that, you will score excellent marks.
okay, sir.
Now, because you are able to manage your personality related questions, also not bad, no problem. But only this banking and current affairs, you have to prepare. You have 3 days, 4 days before you try to spend
Yeah,
as much time as possible for preparation on this and score. Go with confidence, and I'm sure you will succeed. Best
thank you.
wishes.
And
Huh?
sir, if I am asked with a question like, what are your weakness? What should I tell? I don't know.
Yeah, well, now after this, I will tell you how to prepare for those things. And there is a material I have given you. I will tell you
Okay,
in
sir.
that. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
good. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.